In this video, I will show you the different shades of graphite pencil. Hello, I'm NoriArtsy, and this is my first video of my Things I Wish I Knew When I Started Drawing series, which will be released every weekend. So if you are a beginner artist or just someone who wants to start drawing, this is for you, so stay tuned. Just follow along with me and pause the video if needed. Also, remember to subscribe and activate the notifications bell for more tutorials. Let's start. Let's start with the lightest shade I have here, which is 4H, and up to the softest or darkest pencil that I have, which is 7B. I also just want to talk to you guys about graphite as a medium for drawing. I personally like graphite as it is cheap, accessible, convenient, and easy to use, which is perfect for beginners or even for traveling. There are also different shades, which is great in creating contrast you want for your drawing. Also, one of the important things to remember is the softer the pencil is, the darker the shade. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and remember to keep on practicing. The more you practice, the easier it will be. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you want to see on the next tutorial. If you know someone who needs this video tutorial, please feel free to share this with them. If you haven't seen any of my other videos yet, you can watch some pretty interesting tutorials and time lapses of my drawing process. Hope that it helps you in your drawing journey. I am NoriArtsy. See you on my next video. Bye!